Okay, so this time let's create pony. Okay, so pony. Okay, inflate a balloon like this, leaving an allowance here at the end, approximate 4 inches or maybe 5. That would be fine. Okay, first step is, of course, create a small bubble here and another small bubble here. Just a small bubble, and put it together, creating a loop by pulling the nostril here, just like this. And of course, don't forget to lock this. Okay, basic lock will do. And now twist these bubbles, okay, like this. Careful with your balloon, just like that. See? So this is the mouth of our pony, little pony. Okay, that's it. Now, moving on to our next part. Okay, create a 1-inch bubble here. And that is it. Now, for the ears of our pony, create 2 small bubbles here, just like that. That's it. Now, put it together as a loop, like this. So we have a small pony head. Okay, now we need to create 6 1-inch bubbles. Okay, we need to be extra carefully here. So let's create 6 1-inch bubbles. So we have 3 here already. Let's create 3 more. 4, 5, and 6. Now, put together all the small bubbles, 6 bubbles, as a loop. Just like this. Just like this. See? Alright. Now, create the exact length, which is connecting these bubbles. Okay, these bubbles will serve as the hair of our pony. So for me, approximate length would be 3 inches. Alright, 3 inches as it is. Okay, so now after that, put this 3 inches bubble here in between of these 6 bubbles. And you will see the results. So as you notice, we have here the head and the hair of our little pony. Alright, very easy, right? Okay, we're not done because we need to proceed to our next part, the front leg of our pony. Okay, so we need to create 2 inches bubble, another 2 inches here, put it together. Okay, just like that. Now create a small body because we have a small portion allowance here, so we need to, of course, decide. So I think this is enough. Now create another bubble and leave extra allowance here for the tail, just like that. And that's it. So we have a tiny pony here. See? Small tail, 4 legs, a head, and the mouth of a pony. That's it. Hope you like this. our cutie pony. Thank you so much.